Hi, welcome to this module. So in this module, we will be learning on creating heat map using Excel. So we'll look at the data set and we'll create a heat map using Excel and we'll see how to do it. So for that, I am referring to this raw data set that we are having. This is the data set of Chicago crime data. In the data dictionary tab, you have all the details of the metadata. So you can refer to understand each of these fields, what it means. Okay, so as a first step, what we'll do, we'll create a pivot. So I have an existing sheet, which is pivot column chart, and I will put it, I'm creating and I'm doing an OK. So here what I want to see is that what are the locations. So there are 119 locations and we want to see that which are the preferred locations of crime by month or the crimes that were committed in the Chicago city in 2015. This is how the numbers look like. So what I have done, now I'm sorting it by largest to smallest. Okay. So what I have done is that I have created a pivot and I've taken location description on the rows and months on the columns to see that if is any tendency for any particular crime at a particular location. So is there preferred location for a particular type of crime? That's what we are trying to look at. So this is the pivot table that we have created from that. This is how it looks like. Okay. Now by looking at the table, it's very hard to figure out that which are the crimes happens at which particular place, right? So let's go here. Okay, let's select the entire data. We'll remove the grand total. We'll select this one, Control Shift side arrow, but we'll remove the grand total and we'll select the entire data set here. We'll select the entire data set and again we'll remove the grand total. Okay, I'll scroll up. We'll go to the conditional formatting. Okay, we'll go to color scales. In this color scales, we'll apply a color gradient of red, yellow, and green. Okay, so let's apply this color and this shows that street has been very high. Okay, so this is how it shows. Now street and residence has been the outlier. So apart from street and residence, what are the other places where we see more number of crimes? So these are number of crimes. Okay, so for example, if you freeze this particular column, if you freeze this particular row, you'll see that for school private buildings, okay, crime rate is pretty low during July, okay, and for other months it's comparatively high. Similarly, for abandoned building, the crime rates are pretty low during February, okay, but apart from that, crime rates are pretty high.